Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I'll tell you how to use your coins on AliExpress. So open AliExpress application on your phone, and before we start I should mention that not all items on AliExpress support such discounts using your coins. So let me show you on visual example how it should look like. So I open this item, and if I scroll down a little bit, here I can see this line extra 1% off with coins. And as I mentioned earlier, some items do not support that discount, like this item. If I scroll down, I do not see this line, and that means that this item does not support discounts using your coins, and unfortunately you will not be able to use your coins basically, which is logical. So let's go back to this item and proceed to checkout page. I go to summary and go to saved section, and if I tap here I can see that AliExpress automatically deducted 1 coin for this item, for this order, and I got my little discount. And if I tap here I can select option do not use any coins this time, but I will use my coins because I want my discount. And actually sellers decide themselves which amount of discount they can offer you. So if I go, for example, to this item and scroll down, I can see that this seller offers me 5% off with coins, which is really good. And if I go to my checkout page, scroll to the summary and go to saved section, I can see that I use 15 coins to this item, and that gave me 15 cents discount. So as you have seen, I did absolutely nothing, and AliExpress automatically deducted specific amount of coins, and that means that I cannot manually enter amount of coins that I want to spend on this item to get my discount, because AliExpress does it on its own. So that's basically it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.